Take an eighth note triplet and remove the second note. What you're left with is the swing eighth note. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take out the second note. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So you see that between 3 and 1, they're very close when you string them together. Between 1 and 3, you got a little bit of space because that's where you took out 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, dun, 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 dun. If you speed that up, bum, 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's the swing eighth note. Right hand plays every triplet. Left hand is only going to play 1 and 3, the swing eighth note. So we're just going to do the first group of 3 and then stop. 1, 2, 3. 1, left hand plays. 2, right hand only. 3, left hand plays again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Pause. 1, 2, 3. Pause. 1, 2, 3. Get that left hand coming in on 1 and 3. It leaves out 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right hand plays all of them. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to string them together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. You can start speeding it up now. 1, you can start to hear the shuffle come out.